How to disable Windows Defender SmartScreen in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager on your device. In here, scroll down, and if you find anything Windows Defender, right-click on it and then press on End Task. It's not available in my screen, so I am simply clicking on a random app. End task of Windows Defender. Another thing what you can do is open Windows Security. On the left side, click on App and Browser Control. In here, simply click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, simply scroll down and then turn off Check Apps and Files. After you've done that, make sure SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge is also turned off. After that, you're good to go. This is how to disable Windows Defender SmartScreen in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.